Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play the trending game Farm Merge Valley on Discord. Select gaming here and select start an activity and select the Farm Merge Valley one. Select authorize and to play the game. Let me just wait for it to load. You add in these like boxes and basically you merge these together into like one bit. So there's like 3 of these and you merge it into one. Then tap it to get the like end product and you're going to make this. And you can claim these coins. You can also buy the land here to just expand it. There's going to be more stuff. Add in more boxes. Collect items as well. And merge them again. And from here you can merge them again. And you'll get more of these. Here you get an energy bar here. You can get some free gems every few hours, every like 4 hours. Add more boxes. You can also merge these chickens together. But that's pretty much how you can play Farm Merge Valley. Just you have to merge some animals and some plants together to create, well, to like make this end product. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.